Benefits of minimalism. Have you ever noticed that every time you move, you need a bigger truck than the last time you moved? People love to collect things, and we tend to keep collecting things to fill the available space in our homes. And while owning less and living intentionally seems to be a simple concept, it's not automatically easy to adopt. Discarding the possessions which you have been socialized to think you need can be emotionally draining and requires the investment of time and energy, particularly in the early stages of decluttering. Nonetheless, it is one of the best decisions you can make, and you'll be amazed by how much it can improve your life. Want this in a list? Watch the video to the end for a change of lifestyle. And just before we start, hit the red button below this video and the bell button to get notified of our new videos. By simply having regular clearouts, donating old clothes to charity, and getting rid of that DVD collection that you never watch, you can help to streamline your living space and reap the following benefits of minimalism that will make your life feel more like a breeze than a tornado. Number 5. Minimalism saves money. Think about this. If you commit to owning less stuff, you're less likely to splash out on new clothes and new gadgets every time you pick up a paycheck. Western society is built on capitalism, and capitalism is built on people buying things that they don't need. Avoid the temptation and your wallet will thank you. Number 4. More peace of mind. When we cling on to material possessions, we create stress because we're always afraid of losing these things. By simplifying your life, you can lose your attachment to these things and ultimately create a calm, peaceful mind. The less things you have to worry about, the more peace of mind you have. Number 3. Find what you need quickly. This might just be the best part. When there's less clutter obscuring what you're looking for, it's super easy to find it. Particularly t-shirts, pens, chargers, and so on are easy to locate. 2. You'll have a clearer mind. Minimalism can have a psychological effect. Many people find that they can think better in simpler surroundings. Focusing is easier when your line of vision is less disturbed by mess. 1. Minimalism is aesthetically pleasing. There's no denying that a clean, well-organized living room is more aesthetically pleasing than a garage full of junk. Living a minimalist lifestyle removes all of the clutter and allows you to make the most of a smaller space. A place for everything, and everything in its place. What benefits of minimalism have you discovered? Or would you like to if you're just adopting this lifestyle? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share with your friends.